Forget everything you think you know about the executive sedan. This is not another German copycat. This is the 2026 Volvo S90, and it is here to redefine modern, sustainable, and safe luxury. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have Volvo's flagship sedan, the S90, but this isn't just a mid-cycle refresh. This is a comprehensive evolution that truly cements Volvo's place as the quiet, stylish authority in the premium segment. We're doing a full visual deep dive, from the refreshed Scandinavian minimalism of the exterior to the new Google-powered interior and all the electrified performance that powers it. The previous S90 was already a beautiful car, but for 2026, Volvo has leaned even further into their signature Scandinavian aesthetic. The most immediate change is right here, the Thor's Hammer LED headlights. They're now sleeker, slimmer, and stretch further towards the grille, giving the front fascia a much more focused, aggressive, and modern gaze. The effect is almost architectural. The grille itself is an exercise in subtle elegance. It maintains that classic vertical chrome pattern, but the inner detailing is more intricate, and the overall shape is refined to better integrate with the bumper. It's a cleaner, more cohesive face that clearly signals the brand's shift towards its electric future, even on this mild hybrid platform. You also notice the redesigned lower air dam. It's sharper, with chrome accents that truly emphasize the premium feel. Moving to the side profile, the S90's length is really striking. Measuring over 5 meters long, this is a true executive sedan, especially in the long wheelbase form offered in key markets. The roofline flows beautifully, a long, elegant fastback silhouette that makes the car look fast even standing still. The wheels are brand new for 2026, with stunning 20 or 21-inch diamond-cut aerodynamic designs available. They don't just look good, they're designed to reduce drag, contributing to overall efficiency. The chrome window trim is subtle, a nod to traditional luxury without being ostentatious. This is authority by understatement. The rear end receives perhaps the most visually impactful update. The signature Viking Axe taillights have been modernized, now featuring a full-width LED light bar that connects the two main vertical clusters. This is a design trend we see across many luxury brands, but Volvo executes it with a unique, minimalist flair. It enhances the car's visual width and gives it an unmistakable presence at night. The subtle ducktail spoiler, integrated into the trunk lid, and the reshaped rear bumper, which artfully hides the exhaust tips, complete the polished look. No fake vents, no overly busy lines, just pure, functional, and beautiful design. Okay, let's talk about where the S90 truly shines: the interior. Stepping inside the S90 is like walking into a high-end contemporary Swedish apartment. This is lagom, just the right amount. The design philosophy here is not about flash. It's about creating a sanctuary. The air is filtered, the noise is canceled, and the materials are not just luxurious, they are deeply considered. Let's look at the details. We have the beautiful, open-pore Nordic forest wood trim, which runs seamlessly across the dash and doors. It is raw, natural, and a refreshing change from the glossy plastics you find elsewhere. The upholstery is chrome-free Napa or Velcona leather with intricate diamond stitching. And for the truly sustainable consumer, Volvo offers a premium, high-quality wool blend that is simply gorgeous. And then there's the centerpiece of the console, the Orrefors crystal gear selector. This small detail embodies the entire S90's ethos, a beautiful, handcrafted piece of art sitting right at your fingertips. Every material choice, from the soft-touch surfaces to the brushed metal accents, feels deliberate and premium. Now, to the brain of the car, the technology. The S90 receives a major tech upgrade for 2026. The previous screen is replaced by this stunning, faster and more responsive 11.2-inch vertical OLED central touchscreen. This system runs on the Android Automotive OS with Google built in. What this means for the driver is seamless integration of familiar Google services.
Google Maps for real-time navigation, Google Assistant for natural voice commands, "Hey Google, turn the temperature up," and access to your favorite apps through the Google Play Store. Everything is intuitive, with super crisp graphics and satisfying haptic feedback. Behind the wheel, the 12.3-inch digital driver display is fully customizable, providing navigation, media, and critical driving data right in your line of sight. And because safety is always paramount to Volvo, the system is designed to minimize distraction, presenting information clearly and concisely. For the audiophiles, you absolutely must experience the optional Bowers & Wilkins 3D Advanced Sound System. With its 19 speakers strategically placed, including the signature tweeter on top of the dash, it provides an unparalleled acoustic experience that truly turns the cabin into a concert hall.
And finally, the seats. These are the best seats in the business, period. Designed in conjunction with orthopedists, they offer multi-way power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and, in the ultimate trim, multiple program massage functions. This is not just a seat, it's an armchair designed to conquer continents in absolute comfort. And this brings us to the back seat. Given the S90's executive intent, rear space is critical. Thanks to its long wheelbase, legroom here is limousine-like. For those opting for the rear executive package, you gain a dedicated fold-down control panel in the center armrest for climate control, seat heating/ventilation, and media, giving the rear passengers true command of their environment. This is absolutely where you want to be driven. Let's move to what powers this elegant machine: electrification. Volvo is all in on its commitment to a sustainable future, and for the S90, that means no pure combustion engine options. You have two primary choices, both of which are electrified: the B5 mild hybrid and the Flagship T8 Recharge plug-in hybrid. Let's focus on the absolute powerhouse, the T8 Recharge. This powertrain is a masterpiece of efficiency and performance. It combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with a potent rear-mounted electric motor and an updated 18.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The numbers are genuinely impressive: a combined system output of 455 horsepower and over 520 pound-feet of torque. That allows this large executive sedan to hit 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.5 seconds, supercar quick in a tailored suit. But the real story is the efficiency. The improved battery now delivers an estimated 40 to 45 miles of all-electric range. WLTP cycle can reach 80 kilometers. For most commuters, that means your daily driving is done with zero tailpipe emissions. You drive to work on electric power, the gas engine acts as the perfect security blanket for longer journeys, and the combined fuel economy is simply fantastic. It's the perfect bridge technology. The entry point is the B5 mild hybrid system. It features a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine supplemented by a 48-volt system, delivering around 247 horsepower. This system recovers kinetic energy during braking, provides a smoother auto start-stop experience, and offers a subtle boost to aid acceleration. It's the perfect blend of refinement and efficiency. Regardless of the engine, the S90 features an advanced suspension setup. The available adaptive air suspension works in conjunction with the chassis, continuously adjusting damper settings to maintain a truly sublime ride quality. It isolates the cabin from all but the worst road imperfections, giving the S90 a characteristic, composed, and unruffled demeanor.
And finally, we arrive at the topic where Volvo has always led the industry: safety. Volvo's commitment is that no one should be seriously injured or killed in a new Volvo. The 2026 S90 advances this with the next generation of their safety architecture. This car is built on an updated version of the SPA, or Scalable Product Architecture, platform, utilizing a high-strength steel safety cage. But the real genius is in the active systems. We have the upgraded city safety system, which now offers even more sophisticated detection of pedestrians, cyclists, and large animals, with automatic braking. More importantly, we have the enhanced pilot assist semi-autonomous driving system. This L2 Plus system uses an array of cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to manage steering, acceleration, and braking up to highway speeds. It's not a hands-off system, but it significantly reduces driver fatigue on long journeys, maintaining lane centering and adaptive cruise control flawlessly. It is, quite simply, one of the most confidence-inspiring assistance systems available today. So, where does the 2026 Volvo S90 fit in the executive hierarchy? Its main rivals are the perennial leaders, the BMW 5 Series and the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. But the Volvo offers a truly distinct flavor. While the Germans focus on aggressive sportiness and tech overload, the S90 focuses on calmness, sustainability, and authentic design. It is the anti-flash luxury sedan. Pricing is expected to start in the mid-$50,000 range for the base B5, climbing up into the high $60,000 and low $70,000 for the fully loaded T8 Recharge Ultimate trim. For that money, you are not just buying a car, you are buying into a lifestyle that prioritizes well-being and elegant simplicity. The 2026 Volvo S90 is a triumph of design and engineering restraint. It's beautiful. It's incredibly fast in T8 form. It's packed with smart, human-centric technology, and it offers safety that the competition is still trying to catch up to. It is the perfect blend of old-world executive comfort and future-forward sustainability. If you are tired of the mainstream and value-considered design and a sanctuary on wheels, the 2026 Volvo S90 is, without a doubt, the new benchmark for sophisticated, modern luxury. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this full visual review, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth content, and let me know in the comments. Would you choose the Scandinavian S90 or stick with the German rivals?